In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in Outlook email. If you've ever needed to organize information in a clean, readable way inside an email, think schedules, comparisons, or quick data summaries, a table is a perfect solution. Let's walk through it together so you can add one quickly and format it confidently. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Make sure you're signed in so you're taken to your Outlook home. Outlook on the web includes several sections like Mail, Calendar, and People, so if you're not already viewing your inbox, switch over to Mail. This ensures you're in the right place to compose and format messages. Next, start a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens a compose pane on the right or in a new window, depending on your settings. You'll see the to, subject, and message area, along with a toolbar that includes formatting tools. Now look for the Insert option on the toolbar in the Compose window. Insert is where Outlook keeps elements you can add to your email beyond plain text, such as files, pictures, and tables. If you don't immediately see Insert, you may need to expand the formatting bar or select the More Options icon to reveal additional actions, especially on smaller screens. With the Insert menu open, choose Table. Outlook will show a small grid picker where you can hover to select the number of rows and columns you want. As you move your mouse across the grid, you'll see a preview of the table size. Click once to insert it into the body of your email. The table appears right where your cursor is, ready for you to type. After your table is in place, you can start filling in headers and data. Use the Tab key to move quickly between cells, and press Enter to create new lines within a cell if needed. You can adjust column widths by hovering over a border until your cursor changes, then dragging to resize. If you see table styling options in your toolbar, you can add shading, toggle borders, or choose a simple style that matches your brand. Keep the design clean so it remains readable on mobile devices. Fewer columns and concise text generally look best in email clients. When you're done entering your information, give the message a quick preview by scrolling, ensuring the table layout looks balanced and nothing wraps awkwardly. That's it, you've inserted a table in an Outlook email and set it up for clear, professional communication.